the youngest member at Bunso, Mang Bini, and Sir Rocky is welcoming her with a bouquet of flowers. Of course, our dear leader, Master Joanna, belated happy birthday. Please make your way towards the center of the stage. Dito tayo sa gitna. Yes. As Direct Lauren welcomes her with her own bouquet as well. Kindly make your way to the stage. And she is about to be welcomed by, of course, Sir Roxy Nikita. As they make their way towards the stage, our dear viewers are very excited to see Gwen. And she is welcomed by our tatay, Direct Lauren Jockey. Let me sing in. She is greeting our dear friends from the media, guests, and Maloy will be welcomed with a bouquet from our dear Tita Cory Gadanes. And of course, she's going to be celebrating her birthday as well. Belated happy birthday! Demurely approaching the stage as always. Oo, ang pinagmula ng Bini Run, Bini Aya is being welcomed right now with flowers from our chairman, Sir Mark Lopez. Hashtag Bini Kapamilya hanggang dulo. And keep on sharing our live streams, keep on